this isn't from an official. This is from a builder.
Ma'am, we build these homes on private lakes. But nobody gonna spend all this money to build on a private lake.
But they do make the
issue It is, ma'am.
that...
If you look at the file stamp copies, it's showing you, before we build our home,
the Parks
all those things was
Department
given to us about, on 1995. That's why it's 1995. It's file stamped by our court stating that the lake is private. There is a walking trail back here, but nobody else can use the lake. It's filed in there by our courts right there.
And if you look at the plans and covenants from 95, what it shows is the Homeowners Association owns, and they call them lake easements, the lake, and the homeowners. And then they separately deeded that part in the back that's listed as park property. The park owns up to the lake easement. After the lake easement, then that becomes Mallard Lake.
What to me is sad is that you acknowledge that there is part of the property surrounding the lake that is public property, that is a park.
Just a strip
This is
in the back.
This is a strip of land.
Whatever it is, it's a strip of land.
Right,
Is
right.
it bigger than that desk?
Right, but it's not for fishing.
Just a second. Is it bigger than this desk?
Well, it's a strip of land going way around
It's a
now.
strip of land,
Right.
a walking trail that goes around.
Right.
And your position is that it does not extend to the shore of the lake.
It does not. It stays right in there.
Just a second. It doesn't extend to the lake. That's your position.
Yes, ma'am.
Quite frankly, I have no documents, current document in front of me, either from Mr. Davis or
it's
from
kinda
this.
right there.
Just because Mr. Davis writes a letter, is Mr. Davis a city councilman?
Judge,
Pay attention!
Well, Judge, does
pay attention!
Does it make a difference because he
Pay
got a letter from
attention.
King Coles?
Pay attention.
You gonna take his letter from some place that we live there, ma'am?
I want to tell you something. You got a hot temper.
No, I don't. Whatever.
No, let me tell you
Let's
something.
get
You
this
got a
over
hot
with.
temper, which suggests to me that his version of what happened with his fishing poles is exactly what happened. Because I was about to say to you, neither one of your documents is a legal document.
I don't have a hot temper, Judge.
Sir, because you don't know how to be quiet.
Well, that don't make no difference, Judge. I'm
Because
not
you
wrong.
don't know how to be
Well,
quiet.
Judge, can I ask you a question?
No, I don't answer questions,
Well,
sir.
forget it
I
then.
ask
Well, forget it.
questions.
It's over then. Forget it.
I ask questions.
Well, ma'am, nobody spends all this money to live on a lake and to be bothered with this, ma'am. I'm just trying to explain my case to you. You got stuff filed by our courts, by Indiana courts up there, ma'am. You're not even reading them.
For the development.
You know, you're going to tell me,
Sir.
forget it. Don't worry about it. It's over. Don't worry about it. That's all right. I mean, you know what I mean?
Let me tell
Anybody
you-
know who's going to spend all this money to build a nice house on the lake? And you got to be with somebody like this come over, sit down there with a pole fishing. Okay,
Mr.
don't
Smith,
worry about it. I may be wrong.
let me tell you,
Did
let
see
me
the
tell
pictures?
you
Did
why
see
it
the
doesn't
pictures,
make
Judge?
any difference.
Because you don't care, Judge. Here's your pictures here, too.
Bert,
Bert, do what you got to do, Bert.
One more word, he goes. One more word, he goes. What Mr. Smith fails to understand is he may be right and he may be wrong. He has no right to disturb your property. His recourse, if you are, if you are trespassing on the property, is to call the local authorities and have you removed.
We did, ma'am.
Well, you did, and it didn't work, so you decided to do what you did yourself.
I did not, ma'am. I just happened to be pulling down the lake on my big, long, 20-foot boat, and then I didn't see no fishing poles in the water. How I got a 20 big old long boat? I'm sitting way in the
Coward,
back. I'm gonna see some poles
you
in the
have
water.
bills for the
ma'am.
fishing
I'm just
poles?
sorry. I mean, that's ridiculous. I'm gonna see some poles in the water. I'm down a 20-foot boat. Did you see my sign? Y'all can look at my pictures.
I don't care about your pictures.
That's what I thought.
Bottom line is, you decided that since you weren't getting
did not.
satisfaction from the sheriff's department, you were going to take care of it yourself.
I called the sheriff that day, ma'am.
$227.70 for the plaintiff, that's all.
Whoopee.
Parties are excused. You may step out.
Those are ours.
You know,
I'm the back door to your right.
People want to have lights on the house, you know, lake on the, you know what I mean? What do you do? Bums come and fish on your property. Y'all see that, don't you? I live on a lake, man. I got something. He's a bum.